Hey, hope you have a great day so far. Today is December 2nd, Wednesday, and on this post, I'll be talking to you about the overall crypto markets as well as Bitcoin price action. See what has changed since yesterday. I'll be giving you my today's bullish and bearish case scenario as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't really have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks now instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, let's see what exactly is going on in the markets first, because I want to know if money is trending into Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither. So the first thing I'm going to be looking at will be Bitcoin dominance, currently still above 63%. Not much has changed since yesterday on Bitcoin dominance. However, there is one chart I am looking at now, which would be the 3-day time frame on Bitcoin dominance chart. On the last 4 candles, it does look like Bitcoin dominance is getting more bullish. When that happens, it could be less of an opportunity trading altcoins. So I'll be keeping my eye out on that. Now let's take a look into Bitcoin price action and see what it's doing and what has done since yesterday. Yesterday, I had mentioned that there was a rising wedge pattern, 60% chance of breaking down on the daily time frame that is most apparent. Now, since yesterday, we had somewhat of a bounce at about the 18.4K area. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a bullish candle bounce. However, I don't think my opinion has really changed since yesterday. I just do think this rising wedge is going to take a little longer to play out. This is why, because this bounce right here is not an engulfing candle, and if we actually extrapolate the volume out today, which we have about 3 more hours left, this is not good volume in my opinion. Okay, so I would still have somewhat of a short-term bearish opinion on the Bitcoin market right now, which tells me I will also be careful about any of my altcoin positions I have in the market right now. So this is what I'm going to be looking after for the next 2 or 3 days. The other thing that I do want to continue mentioning would be there was still bearish divergence on the daily time frame. It does not look like this one is as intense as the one before right here. So it could be the fact that the bearish divergence on the daily time frame is just not as strong this time. So I will be looking for the 3-day bearish divergence that is apparent. Okay, so let's look past the daily time frame and then go on to the 3-day time frame, where we do have bearish divergence right here very clearly on the 3-day. Not something that I'll be ignoring. Okay, if this rising wedge does play out, I would attribute it to the 3-day bearish divergence. Now, that is the evaluation of the current situation right now. Let's take a look at my bullish and bearish case scenario and see if it has changed since yesterday. Yesterday, I did mention that the bullish case scenario for us to actually break upwards or resist any bearish price action that could be coming down from this rising wedge pattern, 60% chance of it breaking downwards. And if it does break downwards, the measured target is about 15K, okay, approximately there. And that is still my bullish scenario for today. If we actually do not break down from this rising wedge pattern, I will pay attention to the 3-day time frame, as if bearish divergence does play out, I think it could cause a pretty sharp drop in Bitcoin price action. Now, let's go to the bearish case scenario, which would be the obvious flip side. If we actually break down from this rising wedge pattern. Then the measured target would, like I said, would be about 15K. And I do see quite a bit of support that's coming from different time frames, moving averages that's right underneath this rising wedge pattern. So I'm not really sure if it's going to be a slow drop or a quick drop if the rising wedge actually plays out. But this is my bearish case scenario. Something I'm still paying attention to, the bearish divergence on the 3-day time frame. Okay, now this concludes my very short analysis of Bitcoin for today. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded crypto analysis videos, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.